Welcome guys, and let's unbox Redmi Note 10 Pro. I choose this one guys, although the Redmi Note 11 Pro is in the market now. The reason is for the card slot, wherein in Redmi Note 11 there is no additional memory. This is 108 MP dual camera and 120Hz AMOLED 6.6 to 7 inch dot display, dual speaker, Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, and a 33 watts fast charging. I prefer in buying this because of its 108 megapixel, and I bought this for my YouTube channel. And although the 11 Pro is available in the market, I prefer this one. And one thing I like is the additional slot for the SD card, wherein in Redmi Note 11 it doesn't have. And here's the pin guys. Once you open the tray for the SIM and SD card, and we have a silicone casing here, and it's free. If you want to read this manual guys, go ahead and read it. All the instruction is written here, and here is the USB cable. This is type C, and here is the charger. Stay tuned guys, because I'm going to test this fast charging, if it's gonna work or not. Okay guys, to access the SD card and the SIM card, just press this tiny hole here and pull out this tray here, and for the memory card, install here, and for the SIM slot we have two here, but I only use one here, so you can use the SIM card. And take note, SIM card here is you're going to register it. And here is the camera guys, the 108 MP camera. And take a look, this one here, it has tiny screen protector. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it has. And let's just install the plastic cover. And take note, here is the charging port and the speaker output. And take note, this charger equipped with 33 watts. This is for the fast charging. And we're going to check the charging. According to advertise, you can charge this for 59% for 30 minutes and 25%. Wow, with turbocharge. So I started charging this 8:55, and I'm going to update you guys the full charge of this. So I started 8:55 with 25%. Guys, full charge is 1 hour and 17 minutes, so it's 100% now. It's quick access menu from NFC to mute, and the mobile data is here, the Wi-Fi is here, flashlight and Bluetooth, and the brightness is in auto. And here is the camera, guys. This is what I like most because I'm gonna use this for my vlogging purposes, my tutorial. And the Pro here, we have a Pro here. Now the Pro, we can use the 108 MP here. Ultra HD is on, and if you want to use the flash, you can use this flash. And if you want to use the auto balancing, wide lens, macro, UV, UW wide, and if you want to go to video, guys, okay, here it supported 4K 30 FPS recording, and the default is 1080p 30 FPS. This is for YouTube. We're going to explore this one, guys. We're going to compare it with my previous Redmi phone also, and my previous Redmi phone which I currently use is the Redmi Note 7. And for the portrait and more, and here we have a night vision, 108 MP short video, panorama, documents, vlog, slow motion, time lapse, dual video, and this dual video is what I like most. And here's the selfie camera and the front camera. Look, if you want to use that, you can use it. Oh, we have a clone here. Okay, you can explore this one, guys, once you have it. But there is a new release, which is the Redmi Note 11 Pro in the market now, but here in Brunei Darussalam it's not yet available here. So I prefer this one instead of 11 because of the extra memory, and the extra memory we can access here. Setting about phone, and here is the 128 GB, guys, storage, and the SD card. So this is now a MUI version global 12.5 is the update. This model, guys, doesn't have earphones. I also contacted the seller and they confirmed that it doesn't have earphones.